Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll walk you through 5 effective ways to stop your MacBook from overheating and keep it running smoothly. If your Mac feels hot, the fan's always running, or performance is lagging, these quick solutions can help. Let's dive right in. Solution 1. Quit resource-heavy applications. One of the biggest causes of overheating is apps that use too much CPU. 1. Click on the search spotlight icon in the top right corner. 2. Type Activity Monitor and hit Enter. 3. In Activity Monitor, go to the CPU tab. 4. Look through the list to find apps using a high percentage of CPU. 5. If you notice any unnecessary or heavy apps, select them and click the X button to force quit. This helps reduce load on your system and cool things down. Solution 2. Force quit unresponsive apps. Too many apps running in the background can heat up your Mac. To force close them, 1. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner. 2. Select Force Quit. 3. Choose any app from the list that's not responding or you're not using. 4. Click Force Quit to close it. 5. Repeat for other apps if needed. This stops hidden background apps from draining system resources. Solution 3. Disable unnecessary startup apps. Apps that launch automatically when you log in can slow down your Mac and cause overheating. 1. Open System Settings from the dock or Apple menu. 2. Click on General, then choose Login Items and Extensions. 3. You'll see a list of apps that launch automatically when you start your Mac. 4. Select the ones you don't need and click the minus button to remove them. Fewer startup apps equals better performance and lower heat. Solution 4. Reset NVRAM. Resetting NVRAM can fix fan issues, boot problems, and overheating caused by system glitches. 1. Click the Apple menu and choose Shutdown. 2. Once your Mac is fully off, turn it back on and immediately press and hold Command plus Option plus B plus R for about 10 seconds. 3. Release the keys after you hear the startup sound or see the Apple logo. Resetting NVRAM can help fix issues related to startup, display, and fan behavior. Solution 5. Delete unused user accounts. Extra user accounts can run background processes and use system resources. 1. Open System Settings. 2. Go to Users and Groups. 3. Find the user accounts you no longer use. 4. Select and delete them to free up space and reduce background activity. Fewer accounts mean less strain on your system. And that's it. These 5 quick fixes can make a huge difference in keeping your MacBook cool and running efficiently. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mac tips and quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.